Good morning, everyone. I'm Amy from Amy's Acrylic Artistry. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so very much for being here today. I am doing another Dream Cloud series. I love this. I love this technique. But I am trying a new satin enamel today. So I should have my book with me. I will have the recipe linked down in the description. This is what I am using. It is Behr. En français. Maintenant, you'll be able to understand that first part anyway. So this is interior satin enamel, Behr Premium Plus, paint and primer in one. And I wanted to see, this is way cheaper than the Deco Art Satin Enamel, and thought I'd give it a try, see if it works. Let's get painting. All right, let's see. Can I get this how I want it? Probably not exactly. I wanted to thank everyone for helping me hit my goal of 1,000 subscribers. It's been a little bit of a long time coming for me, but I'm so very grateful to each and every one of you for subscribing to my channel. All right, so let's get some paint down here. I have my Behr satin enamel down. This is Amsterdam's Prussian blue phthalo. This is a gorgeous color over top of the Behr satin enamel. And I have a few other colors that just complement absolutely beautifully. Love, love, love these colors. This next color is Deco Art's Vintage Brass. It's almost similar to the 24 karat gold. It's definitely a little bit less on the yellower side, but I love the difference. Instead of using the usual gold, I love this vintage brass. And next up is Pebeo Dark Cobalt Violet Hue. This is a really, really pretty color. And after I get down the turquoise color, you'll see how the purple and the turquoise make a really, really pretty blue, a purpley blue that just really helped to complement this piece. And this is Boom Gel Stains Pearlescent Teal. It's very similar to the Deco Arts Peacock Blue. I often get these two colors mixed up when I'm editing if I haven't taken notes, but I, thank goodness, took notes for this piece this time around. And now I'm just filling in the little spots that don't have any paint, and I wanted to get in a little bit more purple. I like to make sure that I have enough paint when I'm doing this technique. The very first piece that I did not have enough paint on my canvas, and it was almost a disaster, but it ended up turning out absolutely beautifully. I will link my very first piece at the end, but I would love if you would have a look at my playlist. I have done several of these Dream Cloud series pieces inspired by Molly herself. If you are enjoying what you are seeing, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Don't forget to hit the like button as well as the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. Okay, we are almost ready to do some swiping. I have really been intentional with my mindset while I have been painting lately. Really just being in the moment and enjoying the process and not being too hard on myself. I tend to be a bit of a perfectionist and like my pieces to turn out exactly how I want them to, but I have learned over the years that that is not always the case. And I enjoy the process so much more if I just take my time and really focus on the process and not the end result. And it's just so much more relaxing and so much more enjoyable. And my favorite part, some swipes over that satin enamel. And when you're doing this, I don't know if you noticed, I'm barely touching the paint. I'm just gently gliding my palette knife over top of the paint, just enough to bring some of the paint along, glide it through that Behr. This is the same angle as that previous one, just from overhead. I wanted to show both. I'm also really bad for holding my breath while I'm either swiping or tilting. I think it's part of my anxiety and my perfectionism in trying to be absolutely perfect. So another thing that I really focus on is my breathing and my breath work. Just nice deep breaths in and nice deep breaths out while also being in the moment. Okay, and here we are with the wet results. I love how this piece turned out. I currently have it varnished and hanging on my wall up in my art studio. I do have a short that I just put out, a tour of my art studio, and you will see that piece hanging up on my wall, and it is for sale. You can send me an email at amysacrylicartistry@gmail.com if you're interested. This piece is not up on my website as of yet. I do need to do some work and get that done. Look at the shimmer and the sparkle from the vintage brass, the Deco Art vintage brass. It's one of those colors that just kind of hides in behind there, and when the light hits it, it just sparkles. I love it. Love, love, love. And that's that bluish purple that was created between the Boom Gel Stain pearlescent teal and the purple. Love. got some great cells with this Behr satin enamel. I will definitely be using it again. All right, and here are the dried results, varnished and hanging in a different spot, but it's hanging on my wall. If you have watched up to this point, I would love if you would leave me some purple hearts down in the comments, along with what you think of this piece, the multicolored cells, how the Behr worked, the colors. I know it's a bit of a different color scheme for some people, but I really love this piece. Really, really love this piece. I was pleasantly surprised with my first attempt at this recipe. I'm glad that it worked out. All right, so have a great day and a great week, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!